tutorial today for how to set up Ultimate Doom Builder. Yesterday my microphone sounded like crap and I just tested it and now it's much better. It was using my laptop mic last time, so that was not the best way to do this. So today we're going to try it with the headset mic so it'll actually be useful. And to be honest though, it should fit even if it's Fedora. It's just you have to use your package manager in order to get the proper development packages and compiling, stuff set up. But to be honest, all that stuff I did show, not entirely all of it was needed yesterday, because to be honest, it's on Arch's AUR, but I don't know how well that works, other than the fact that when I tried it, it didn't. But it was, Ultimate Doom Builder. Ultimate-Doom Builder, Ultimate-Doom-Builder-Git. So in that case, if you wanted to install it that way, you have to get a program called Yay that lets you use the AUR, the Arch user repository, and you could just do a Yay -s Ultimate Doom Builder Git, and that'll pull it in for you. The part that I don't know about is you still have to get the node builder, which is ZenNode. I don't know if that's in here, so let me check real quick. Okay, they have ZenNode. So yeah, I think it, on Arch would probably be pretty easy. Except for, this looks like it's out of date. Last updated was 2015. Probably I wouldn't count on that. And the last somebody posted about it was in 2023 with errors. So probably the best thing you can do is, since this is out of date, is not bother using that and stay out of the AUR version. And then if you look at Ultimate Doom Builder, that was last updated last year, and it says do not flag for version bumps, that it's the latest version when it's built, but I don't know. I don't think I had any luck with this because it didn't have ZenNode. So that's why I just downloaded it from Git myself, compiled it myself, because you don't want to deal with that. So we're just going to do this from fresh, and pretend like I never did anything here. So we'll just do a make dir, and we'll go doom stuff, cd doom stuff, and then we're going to pull in everything that we need to compile it. So first things first, we're going to go to Ultimate Doom Builder GitHub. And then we're going to go to code. We're going to copy the link. Now, Like I said, you can get Git from your Fedora or Ubuntu or whatever distro. Like they all have Git, and then you get clone and then the link, and watch it. It's gonna pull in all the files, all the source code. Voila. Now we got to do the same thing with ZenNode. So ZenNode GitHub. We go there, go to code, copy to clipboard, the link to the clone it, minimize, git clone, done. Okay. And then you probably want Ultimate Doom Builder. So, or not Ultimate. We already got that. You want to get DSDA Doom to test. So we'll pull that in. Do the same thing. Git, clone, paste the link. It downloads all the source code for that. I don't know, maybe you want gzdoom. Well, it's probably in your repo, which I'm pretty sure it's in Arch. That's actually pretty common in most repos, is gzdoom. It's in AUR. So for Arch, I will get it from AUR. Now, if you don't have it in your distro, then you can go to their GitHub. So gzdoom GitHub. If you're making maps for gzdoom. So code, copy. Sorry, if you're making maps for gzdoom, you'll want that. So we'll pull that in. And here comes gzdoom. Now, I believe if you're going to be doing mapping for gzdoom, that requires other compilers. So if we go to cd ultimate doom builder /build, we go to cd compilers, and then cd node builders. We'll see there's all this other stuff besides ZenNode, right? You got ZDBSP, I believe that's for ZDoom. GLBSP, Deep BSP. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to search for these to see if they have GitHubs. It's internal node builder. Okay. So let's go pull that in. Yeah, there's the license. Great. Okay, well, we'll just grab its code. Because I don't have this yet. Maybe I'll want it later, so I should do this now anyway. In fact, I'm going to try to do that first. since I don't have it. All right, what do we got here? Well, it's got a CMakes list, so that's good. Just do make dir build, cd build, cmake space dot dot. Let's see if it complains about anything. CMake warning dev at cmake.list, converting of int or integer to string type. This warning is for project developers. Okay. Now we have a make file. Type in make. This time little j minus j3. It starts to compile. It gave us a little error, deflating some data. So it built it. So there it is, ZDBSP. It's the one in green here, and it did compile. So what we can do to test, let's just run ZDBSP, and voila, it spit out an output of sorts. So I'm going to copy that to we'll just do it here. Build compilers, node builders. See, there's zdbsp.exe. Well, we'll just copy this over. All right, now it's over there, so we're good. Let's see. Done with that. Then what we'll do is go to Ultimate Doom Builder, and then go to Build, go to Compilers, and then Node Builders, and then we're going to do a nano ZDBSP. Okay, I can spell .cfg. And see how it's calling for zdbsp.exe. We're just going to take off the .exe part and then save that. So now it's going to work with zdbsp. What else we got here? We got glbsp. So let's look that up. glbsp GitHub. Let's see if they got one. Looks like it. Node builder specifically designed to be used with OpenGL-based Doom game engines. Cool. Let's get it with Git. So, all right. So now we have glbsp. So let's compile that. Cool. And it uses doesn't use CMake. Sorry to say, but there is no support for compiling with an IDE from this release. The directory layout was improved when the code went to this SVN repository. Great. The make file is makefile.unix. You may need to open it in an editor and edit some stuff near the top, especially if you want to use another compiler to build the library and command line program. Do that. Okay, let's do that. Follow some instructions here. Alright, so cd doom stuff. and this is glbsp, and we're going to read that make file, make file.unix, and we're just going to want to do probably make glbsp. And it wanted okay. Well, let's try this. Make -f make file.unix. We're going to say glbsp. ls. There we go. We got glbsp, and voila. Looks like it's working. So we're going to copy that over to our ultimate Doom builder. Right, and build compilers, node builders. So boop, boop, glbsp. Okay, good. Now we have to edit glbsp's config. So we're going to do a nano glbsp.cfg. And where it says glbsp.exe, we're going to change that to the real file name. This is case sensitive. We're going to obviously remove that. Let me go to Control X here. ls. It's just all lowercase. So we're just going to go glbsp. Save that. Done. Okay. What else we got here? ZD. So that should, oh, I have to compile ZenNode yet. So let's do that real quick. All right. And this one is just make. Done. Now we have ZenNode. So we'll copy that. Ultimate Doom Builder, build, compilers, node builders, and yeah. So now we got ZenNode. And then right from here, we can just click ZenNode.config. I'm going to hit edit. And we're going to get rid of the .exe. And we're going to save. And then I'm going to hit F10. There. And F10 again. So we're done with that. Let's make sure. Okay, yep, program equals ZenNode. Okay, so we're done with that. let's see where we're at. Compilers. All right. Okay, so you need mono in order to do this because it was programmed, I think, in C# or something, or .NET. How you install mono is different from system to system. So you also need, the base devel, which you should have had before you started this if you're on Arch. It's got instructions right there for how to get that, and then you need to compile it. So let's compile it. I'm just going to do make. Hold on. Guess we got to make file. Okay, make minus J3. And it's using MS build and builder mono.sln to compile this. So if you don't have mono, it's not going to compile. You need Microsoft's mono, which is basically their compiler made for Linux. All right, so now if we go to build, we'll see builder has been compiled. So let's run that. And voila, we're going to go to tools, game configurations, and then there's, we have to add resources, so let's do that. So from a WAD file, we're going to add our doom2.wad. So let's go to my do-my-wads folder. And we'll add doom2.wad. And that's all I'm adding for right now. This is how you add more resources, like, So we got doom2.wad. It's looking for it's looking for gzdoom.pk3 for gzdoom stuff. I don't think we compiled that yet. In KDE, I have a program called Discover, and it deals with flatpaks. So if we can't build it for whatever reason, I can do a search for gz. Oh, wait, that's Discover. Okay, yeah. All right, so we do gzdoom, and then everything's gonna get all wonky. There we go. Yeah, so there's a flatpak for it, which will pretty much run in anything. Development-wise, it's kind of a pain in the ass because you're dealing with a flatpak. You have to use, god damn. Oh. No, I use DSTA for that. Happy Wednesday, bite. How you doing? So let's just skip gzdoom right now. It's kind of pissing me off, to be honest. We'll go to DSTA and we'll compile that. So we go to cd prboom2 and we'll do make dir build cd build cmake space ... This just compiles. This is pretty easy. Voila. And then we'll go make minus J5. So it's compiling. Okay, yeah, I built DSTA. So now we can go DSTA doom minus iwad. Voila. Doomed, yeah. And just to show you it's working. Voila, it works. There. Good. All right. Try this again. So now we're going to get it the proper way. Actually, we're going to get gzdoom from our own repository of packages from the distro, because I'd rather not use a flatpak if at all possible. Do you know that the AUR sometimes still has issues? Because it also compiles. And if there's something busted with the compiler or something, you're going to have issues on AUR. Probably not so much on like Debian. If, you know, those packages are, what's the word? It hurts every time. Looks like that's working. So yeah, sometimes it's best to go with the old package manager wherever possible. You might not have the latest version, but you'll probably have a working version. Oh, that was just Z music. I'm thinking this will work this time. It pointed to a different version of libz music. Don't know why they have to split it up into the music needs to be different source code than the actual game engine. Like, that's just, I don't know. I get it, I guess. I don't know. But DSDA is just compile DSDA. And it works. Hey, Motor, how you doing? I was re-recording this video for you with working audio. and trying to show all the different things. Yes, this time it's getting into more amazing detail. Yes, like even so much as compiling gzdoom if you want to do UDMF maps. That's the part we're on right now. I tried to do it from the GitHub and it got pissed off. So we're just using it from the package manager. Like DSDA compiled just fine. Our node builders compiled just fine. And Ultimate Doom Builder compiled just fine. In fact, this is it running from when we just compiled it. Except it's bitching about gzdoom.pack3 for a gzdoom map if you want to do that. So that's why we're compiling gzdoom off of AUR right now. But if you're in Fedora, I'm sure there's probably a gzdoom in the package manager or something. And I was trying to explain that it kind of doesn't matter what distro you're running. You know, when it comes to compiling software, it's all the same stuff. You just want to make sure you get development packages for in your repo for the things it needs. It's just the difference is the package manager and the name of the packages might be slightly different. Like in Debian based, it's going to usually say, you know, something dash devel or dash dev for development packages. For stuff like mono that you need, you have to pretty much follow the instructions for the mono website because you need mono for Fedora. So like installing mono on Fedora, and then Fedora Developer Portal says that's what you do. Sudo dnf install monodevel. Because mono is needed for Ultimate Doom Builder because it's basically a .NET program. It's almost done compiling, so I think this is just what I needed to do. If it is working, how do you update again? Just Doom Builder from Git? Yeah, basically, you just recompile it. You just download an updated version with git clone, and you just compile the new version. Now, there is some problems. It's not perfect, as in obviously you have to compile all your own node builders, which is a pain. But the node builders are a lot easier to build than Doom Builder itself, and definitely easier than like gzdoom. ZDBSP is the native node builder for ZDoom, but it has a normal mode for non-UDMF. Okay. But if you want UDMF, I don't think ZenNode does that, right? I mean, I don't know. They have to go to a very specific folder. I just showed you. Once the node builders are built, you can just keep them somewhere. Yeah, I mean, I keep them in the folder that I compile them in, and that way I can just copy them if I need to copy and paste them again. Alright, now it needs my password so it can install. Yes. Optional dependencies for gzdoom. Okay, well let's try it. gzdoom, and we'll do -iwad. Doom iwads doomwad. Looks like it's working. Yeah. Okay. So now we have our engines. Cool. We can do testing now. Yay. Okay, if you start getting weird behavior in larger maps, monsters escaping closets into the voids, which is not working, and being able to partially clip them, you might want to switch to ZDBSP normal. Okay, so this might stop complaining. Hold on. I need to find out. Okay, yeah, we can just exit out of here. So, technically, we have built everything. Now, yeah, we built ZenNode, ZDBSP, technically gzdoom through AUR. And like I said, you could also get it from flathub, but you don't really want to use that. It's kind of a pain in the ass. So let's tell Ultimate Doom Builder where gzdoom is, which I'm going to actually look up real quick. So here's that. I'm going to just go to pretty sure I know where it is. Hold on. It's probably in like user bin, but let's double check. See where it put gzdoom. Yeah, user bin. Okay. So I have to wait for my mouse to come back. Okay. Tools, game configurations, UDMF. I can't read that because this fucking shit's over. I'm gonna guess that's, yeah, ZDBFP. Okay, BSP. We've already set that up. Let's give it an engine. Where to go to SDA1. Nope, oh, not that one. Okay. User. Bin. And then okay. We're going to give it doom2.wad. And then up there. I had to put a star in there so I could see it. Kind of annoying. It's right there, dude. A resource archive is required for this game configuration, but not present. It's right there, bro. Do you not see it? That's a new one. Where are you looking for that? I would really like to know where the heck you're looking for that. If I've just pointed it out to you and you don't know where it is. Ugh. Yeah, don't move your mouse when clicking. Yes, indeed. Shit. Well, that is a thing. I mean, dude. I don't know. Let's just try it like this. We'll hit OK. We'll hit new. And we'll go gzdoom udmf. Let it bitch. And then hit OK. And we'll just unable to load it. Please make sure the location is acceptable. Yeah, I noticed. Whatever. Player one start. Let's have you facing that way. And then we'll put something that's gzdoom only in here. Maybe dynamic light or something. And then hit save. Actually, don't even need to hit save. Just gotta hit play. Wine? What? Huh? Okay, so it's trying to still pull the exe file for the builder. That's fine, I guess. Looks like it worked. Technically. Made my little shitty little light source. So technically, we are making a gzdoom map. Whatever. Okay. Cool. And now I'm just going to pretend like I never started that. Because I'm not really wanting to play with gzdoom. No, I don't want to save it. No. Okay, so we technically have a working gzdoom for if I ever need that. That being said, if I do a UDMF map, which that's not what I focus on, I really focus on MBF 21. That technically will work. Now let's get back to DSTA Doom. Whoa, DSTA Doom UDMF. Oh shit. Okay, well, that's cool. MBF 21 now. And then bam. Now the biggest problems I have seen is this. First of all, if you create an item, this here, it still technically works, but it doesn't show the arrow. So that part's busted. I don't know how to fix that. Another thing that's busted is if you go to the square tool, the bevel radius thing is a little broke. So don't fuck around with that. Or else you're going to be stuck with bevels, probably. So I used the bevel once, and now it's kind of stuck there. So as you can see, you don't want to do that. Now I'm just basically stuck with doing boxes like this. You know what I mean? Just an annoyance. Thank you for the subscription. Now, even though I can't make a map for this anymore, because technically this project is pretty much done, I can still fuck around and have fun. And then hit play. Yep. Let's see. I always wanted to show someone to show how to do this. So, just to recap everything from the beginning. Quick recap. You want to go get the Ultimate Doom Builder, DSTA Doom, and all of your stuff off of GitHub. Compile it. Make sure you're getting all the development packages you need. If it complains about something, get it, basically.